Students, let's learn the first chapter in Class 10 Footprints Without Feet, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. About the author. James Alfred White, known by the pen name James Herriot, was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experiences as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and is overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does the doctor perform an operation? Does the dog recover? Let's see what happened. The story begins when Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes her dog Tricky out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a blotted sausage. While talking to Mrs. Pumphrey, he realizes that she has been overfeeding Tricky and also had been giving him things that a dog shouldn't eat. But still, she thought that Tricky was malnourished. So, what she did, She used to give him malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night apart from his regular meals. She has also given him his favorite cream cakes and chocolates too. Poor Tricky, he too has a problem or fault, that is greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He is ready to tackle or take food at any hour of the day or night. When the narrator asked Mrs. Pumphrey whether Tricky was exercising, she came up with a wonderful reply. She takes him out for walks once in a while. Tricky stopped playing his ring throwing exercise also. It's not his fault, she said, because the gardener who takes him out to play is not coming these days because of pain in his lower back. The doctor advises Mrs. Pumphrey to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pumphrey is not able to refuse him. Soon he falls sick and the doctor is called. Tricky would not eat anything, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug panting. So Mrs. Pumphrey called the doctor. Dr. Harriet had advised Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky must be hospitalized under his observation for a fortnight. When the dog was being sent away to the surgery, so here surgery means hospital, the whole staff was roused. The maids rushed in and out. They were busy in bringing Tricky's day bed, night bed, cushions, toys, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, etc. When he was departing, everybody was in tears. The overindulgent mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, gave a cry in desperation. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around Dr. Harriet. Tricky looked down at the noisy dogs with dull eyes helplessly. He lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs circled around him, sniffing for a few seconds. They decided that Tricky was an uninteresting object for them. Therefore, they ignored him. The narrator, Mr. Harriot, is tactful as well as full of common sense. He treats the dog very well. He knows that Tricky doesn't need medical treatment but requires a change in his lifestyle. For 2 days, Dr. Harriot kept an eye on Tricky and gave him no food but plenty of water. Then he sees that Tricky has started licking the empty food bowls and started mixing up with the other dogs. No medical treatment was given to Tricky. Tricky's progress was rapid and he started running about the dogs, joining in their friendly barkings. Now he was accepted as a member of the gang. Dr. Harriet informed Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky was out of danger and was recovering rapidly. Mrs. Pumphrey was excited to hear the news and started bringing fresh eggs to build his strength. Even wine and brandy were given to improve Tricky's constitution. The narrator is tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. The reason is quite interesting. Mrs. Pumphrey wants Tricky to recover quickly. So, she used to send 2 dozen eggs, wine bottles, and brandy every day. Mr. Harriet knew that there was no need of giving Tricky all that. So, she used to eat the extra eggs and drink the wine with his partners. With all that food and drinks coming in, Mr. Harriet is used to be very happy as he is not as rich as Tricky's mistress. One day, Dr. Harriet phoned Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky had recovered and she could take him home. Within 2 weeks, Tricky had been transformed into a flexible and hard muscled animal. Tricky's mistress comes in 30 feet of gleaming black metal, which is obviously a luxury car. When Tricky saw his mistress, he leapt and reached to her lap and started licking her face. Mrs. Pumphrey thanked Dr. Harriet. Her eyes were wet and lips trembled. She was overwhelmed to see Tricky all well, and so she says, as a token of gratitude, that it was a triumph of surgery. She considered the recovery of Tricky as a triumph. Triumph means victory of surgery. Surgery here means hospital. The foolish indulgence and pampering of the rich mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, was the real cause of Tricky's miserable condition. Thank you.